Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a quick little video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian Metall, and I'm here today at HS Produkt in Croatia, where we're going to do a little bit of shooting with the M93 Alka. Now, this is one of the submachine guns developed during Croatia's Homeland War. And I had a chance the last time I was here to film one of these and take it apart and show you how it works, but we weren't able to actually shoot it, and that's what we're going to do today. So we have a pretty small little indoor test range, but I'm really curious to see how this actually runs. So it uses MP40 magazines. The gun itself, if you haven't seen my previous video on it, check that out, but it is essentially developed off the basis of the MAC M11. So I have a semi-auto and a full auto setting. We're going to start semi-auto there. That's semi, that's full. Fires from an open bolt with a Skorpion style stock. All right, the recoil from that is crisp. That's got a definite kick to it. So in full auto, this is going to be interesting and challenging. It is going to be, I guarantee you, a high rate of fire. We're going to do very short bursts. You ready? This is also production number 3, so we may have a few malfunctions in it. Good. You can see I'm flinching on that to control it. Getting the occasional feed and ejection issues, which may be related to the fact that the magazine catch isn't quite solid in there. There's a bit of play in the magazine. About this. That is absolutely a pretty nice brisk, like, that's not a beginner's level gun, let's put it that way. This stock is, first of all, not super helpful. It's better than a Skorpion stock, largely because the length of pull is appropriately long. But it doesn't really, you can see the angle here, this tends to climb, like, a lot. And because of the high rate of fire, and of course has a high rate of fire because there's very little travel forward and back in the bolt there. Got a high rate of fire, a gun that has a tendency just from geometry to climb. It is not a super easy gun to control and to shoot. And of course, we topped it off with a round that fired out of battery, which is always extra exciting. That does happen from time to time on open bolt submachine guns. It's generally not a big deal. It is why you wear safety glasses. A big thanks to HS Produkt for giving us the opportunity to shoot what is, frankly, their one prototype, well, pre-production, early production. They only made 100 or 200 of these Alkas. They were used in a limited sense during the Croatian Homeland War. They were never formally adopted. They were never formally procured by the Army. So very cool that they have one here, and they let us actually shoot it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.